Unlocking Cloud Excellence, a deep dive into the AWS Well-Architected Framework for Optimal Architecture. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction. Well-Architected Framework, the foundation for cloud computing success. In the rapidly evolving world of cloud computing, achieving success requires more than just deploying applications on a cloud platform. It necessitates a strategic approach to designing and managing your cloud environment to ensure it is secure, reliable, cost-effective, and sustainable. The AWS Well-Architected Framework serves as the cornerstone for achieving this success. Developed by AWS experts, this framework provides a structured approach for building and operating reliable, secure, efficient, and cost-effective systems in the cloud. The 6 pillars of the AWS Well-Architected Framework. The AWS Well-Architected Framework is built on 6 key pillars that guide cloud architects in optimizing their systems. Each pillar focuses on a different aspect of architecture, ensuring a comprehensive approach to cloud infrastructure design. Operational excellence, optimizing operations for business value. Operational excellence is the first pillar of the AWS Well-Architected Framework, emphasizing the importance of continuously running and monitoring systems to deliver business value. This pillar includes best practices for automating changes, responding to events, and defining standards to manage daily operations. Implementing operational excellence ensures systems are agile, adaptive, and aligned with business goals. Key practices include automating routine operational tasks, monitoring and analyzing operational data to identify trends and improve processes, implementing disaster recovery and incident management procedures. 2. Security, building robust security in the cloud. Security is paramount in cloud computing, and the second pillar of the AWS Well-Architected Framework is dedicated to building robust security practices. This pillar protects data, systems, and assets through risk assessments, implements strong identity and access management (IAM), and applies encryption and network security measures. Security best practices include implementing most minor privilege access controls, encrypting data at rest and in transit, regularly auditing and monitoring security configurations. 3. Reliability, designing consistent system reliability. Reliability ensures that a workload can perform its intended function correctly and consistently when expected. The third pillar of the framework focuses on building systems that can recover from failures and meet customer expectations even under challenging conditions. To achieve reliability, design your architecture with fault tolerance and redundancy. Implement automatic scaling to handle unexpected demand. Regularly test failover mechanisms and backup procedures. 4. Performance efficiency, maximizing performance efficiency. Performance efficiency is about using cloud resources efficiently to meet system requirements. This pillar emphasizes selecting the right resources for your workload, continuously optimizing performance, and leveraging AWS's elasticity. Critical considerations for performance efficiency. Continuously evaluate and optimize your architecture. Use serverless architectures where applicable. Leverage caching and content delivery networks, CDNs, to reduce latency. 5. Cost optimization. Optimizing cloud costs. Cost optimization avoids unnecessary expenses by making informed decisions about cloud resource allocation. This pillar encourages a balance between cost and performance, ensuring you pay only for what you use while maximizing business value. Best practices for cost optimization include right-sizing your instances based on current demand, implementing auto-scaling to match resource supply with demand, taking advantage of AWS cost management tools like AWS Cost Explorer and Trusted Advisor. 6. Sustainability, building sustainable cloud architecture. Sustainability, the newest addition to the AWS Well-Architected Framework, emphasizes the importance of reducing the environmental impact of your cloud operations. This pillar guides organizations in designing and operating efficient and sustainable workloads. Critical actions for sustainability. Optimize workload energy consumption. Use AWS services that are powered by renewable energy. Implement practices to reduce carbon footprint, such as efficient resource utilization and serverless architecture. Practical implementation of the Well-Architected Framework. Case studies and concrete examples. Implementing the AWS Well-Architected Framework can significantly enhance your cloud architecture's efficiency and reliability. Here are a few real-world examples of how organizations have leveraged the framework to optimize their cloud infrastructure. Case study: global retailer, A global retailer applied the well-architected framework to enhance its e-commerce platform's reliability during peak shopping seasons. By focusing on the reliability and performance efficiency pillars, they ensured their system could handle sudden traffic spikes without compromising user experience. Case study: healthcare provider. A healthcare provider used the security pillar to secure sensitive patient data in the cloud. By implementing IAM best practices and encrypting all data, they ensured compliance with stringent regulatory requirements while maintaining system accessibility. Case study: fintech startup. A startup optimized its cloud costs by focusing on the cost optimization pillar. They significantly reduced their monthly cloud expenses while maintaining high performance by right-sizing instances and using spot instances where appropriate. Conclusion: the well-architected framework is the key to successful cloud architecture. The AWS Well-Architected Framework is an essential tool for any organization looking to maximize the value of its cloud investments. By focusing on the 6 pillars: operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and sustainability, organizations can design and manage cloud architectures that are robust, efficient, secure, and cost-effective. Incorporating the AWS Well-Architected Framework into your cloud strategy is not just about following best practices, but building a foundation for long-term success in the cloud. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.